Alright, time for another Elden Ring tutorial. I'm going to show you how to beat the Death Bird at Liurnia of the Lakes. And here you're going to need to rest until nighttime, or just past the time until nightfall. And then I'll show you where to find this particular Death Bird. And so we're going to go over here towards the castle. And here's the equipment and my stats and everything if you want to take a look at that, what I have equipped. And the Night Talisman works really well for this because I'm going to be on horseback the whole time. So get on your mount, and then we're just going to cruise down here, and you're going to go towards the castle right there with the big tree, the big and then you're going to walk over here, and the night bird is going to show up. And what you're going to do is you're going to just attack the hind legs and its hind section and just ride around in circles, kind of like a lot of the big monsters in this game. A lot of this similar strategy is you just want to go and attack the hind legs and back and just keep away from its face and its swinging club or sword, wherever it's got in its hand. This is my strategy anyway. And as you can see, I haven't been hit very much. A little hit here and there. And a couple hits, I got him staggered. And I can just whack him, whack him, whack him. And there we go. Pretty easy, not too difficult. And that is the strategy I use to take down the Death Bird at Liurnia of the Lakes. Let me know if this helps you out. And there we go. Now I'm going to set up this really cool angle with the camera. One thing I love about Elden Ring is the picturesque landscape. And we got that big tree in the background. Castle. Pretty awesome. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.